Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Suica to Android phone. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so adding a Suica card to your Android device depends on several factors, including your device's compatibility, region settings, and the availability of necessary applications. Alright, so the first consideration is your device compatibility. Osafu Ketai support. So Suica integration requires your Android device to support Osafu Ketai, a mobile wallet system prevalent in Japan. This feature is typically found in devices purchases with Japan. Two, region settings. So Google account region. Your Google account region must be set to Japan to access and download region specific apps like mobile Suica or to add Suica via Google Wallet. This often necessitates a Japanese Google Play account. So adding Suica to Google Wallet. So if your device meets the above criteria, you can attempt to add Suica through Google Wallet. So from here, open Google Wallet, launch the Google Wallet app on your device, add to wallet. So tap on add to wallet option, choose e-money, and then select Suica from the list. From there, just complete the setup by following the on-screen prompts. And now there's some alternative solutions. So a physical Suica card. So if your device lacks the necessary compatibility of region settings, consider using a physical Suica card. These cards can be purchased at major JRE stations and are widely accepted across Japan. For iPhone users, for the phone with access to an iPhone, adding Suica is more straightforward and doesn't require Japanese Apple ID. And there's some additional considerations. So international devices. So Android devices purchased outside of Japan may face challenges due to hardware and software limitations related to the Felica chip, essential for Suica functionality. And also, discussed among travelers indicates mixed experience, with many suggesting that Android users may need to rely on physical Suica cards due to these limitations.